Guys, have you ever wondered what's inside a coconut? Let me show ya! But how am I gonna even open this? Can't crack it on the table. Dad, I need you! Thanks! Now, I don't wanna do it inside, so I'm gonna do it outside. Guess which one I'm about to poke?
Which one?
I think I'm going to poke this one.
Let's see. Which one you're gonna put? Well, I'll hold it for you.
Can you hold the hammer?
You want me to hold the hammer?
Yeah. You smash
I
it.
made a dent in it already.
Oh my god, guys.
There you go.
Thanks.
Go on, take it out and give me a cup.
How am I supposed to do that? Get you a cup. Oh my god, guys, I don't. Oh my god, juice!
It's coming out very slowly.
Yeah, but we need some more. 2 holes freedomed, and then we can just see it's coming. Coming. It's coming very quickly. Look at this too. Ooh, what's that brown stuff? We're gonna save enough for the other person.
Let's see.
We should finish about up to here.
We're on single measurement so far.
We need to just get up to here. Wait, is that the water?
Yeah.
Because I don't think that. Yeah, we gotta get up to here, then up to here. It's gonna take a very long time. From top. You can do it, buddy. You can do it. I hit it right on the line. I did it! I can see it. Open, guys. Huh? It is this bit. How are we gonna crack it? Smash it really hard. Oh, I did it! Yeah. God, I'm gonna see if I can open it with my hands. Oh my! I just need to see my hands. Look how it looks. And the juice was in here. It was in that part. We hammered it. Look. Ooh, look out. It's okay. A hose. Ooh, the coconut. How are you gonna close this? If we need it, we need to close it. I'm gonna taste this. I'm not gonna do it out here. Now I know what she's gonna do. Should I let go? It's okay. Oh my! It really feels alright. I can't believe that. What do I have to do with this, guys? It's coming. And you see here, guys, it's wet. And it's soaked. If you want to touch it, then you can do it at home. Make sure you do it at home. Try this. It's so good. You have to do what I did. And just tap, 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 tap. It's gonna. It's my body. Squeak. As you can see, guys, there's some more. We gotta get all the good stuff, guys. So guys, I'm gonna pour this in slowly, and there's single measure, and double measure, and daddy's measure. There's 3 types of measures. Alright guys, I'm just gonna have the single measure. This coconut drink is awesome. Just gonna. Oh, freezer. And then I gotta cut. A little hard, guys. See, I have to use this dish. And then, that was so good. But the juice was even better. This is perfect. Alright guys, I've enjoyed myself cracking it open. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share with your family.